Welcome to my class Easy Maths Jyoti IS Davangere. It's a class for 9th standard students, CBSE NCERT syllabus and also for Karnataka State syllabus. Here the chapter name is Triangles. In that we are studying the criteria for congruency of triangles. In that the second criteria is ASA criteria. This ASA criteria is reduced in your syllabus for this year, that means 2021. Even though we should know the knowledge of this to solve some problems. Okay, let us discuss shortly this ASA criteria to solve some problems or to attain some knowledge. Here ASA criteria. What is ASA? In the previous criteria, we are having SAS. In that, two sides and an included angle. But here, ASA, two angles, the same knowledge, that's two angles and an included side. Two triangles are congruent. Two triangles are congruent if two angles and an included angle of one triangle is equal to the two angles and an included side of the other triangle. Okay students, I am telling shortly to attain the knowledge. Here, two angles. Let us consider ABC is a triangle and PQR is another triangle. Okay. Here, let us check for ASA. A means one angle, that is ABC. ABC is on one angle. This angle B is equals to the another triangle PQR, angle Q. In case if you take it as 30 degree, this is also 30 degree. And in ACB and PRQ, if these two triangles are equal, that means this is 50 degree and this is 50 degree. Okay, here two angles. What we came to know that two angles of one triangle is equals to two angles of the another triangle. Now what we have to check? We have to check the side, the angles, the included side of the two angles. Here two angles is there. The side formed by the two angles is, the included side is BC. This BC is equals to this QR. This is also 5 centimeter. This is also 5 centimeter. In these cases, understood? When angle B is equals to angle Q and when angle C is equals to angle R and the side included between the two angles is or same, then the two triangles are congruent. Yes, these two triangles are congruent by ASA criteria or ASA congruency rule. Therefore, here angle B is equals to angle Q, that is equals to 30 degree, and angle C is equals to angle R, that is equals to 50 degree, and the side formed by or otherwise side included by this by these two angles is equals to 5 centimeter by ASA criteria. You can say that ABC triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, then the corresponding parts of the congruency are equal. All the remaining corresponding sides or corresponding angles, these are corresponding sides, all are equal. Okay, this is just to have some knowledge. Now, shall we start the exercise 7.1? First problem, in quadrilateral ACBD, AC is equals to BD. What is given? AC is equals to BD. Let us check it once again. students. Yeah. Here in quadrilateral LCBD, AC is equals to AD. The measure of AC is equals to the measure of AD. And AB bisects angle A. AB bisects angle A. Therefore, angle CAB is equals to angle BAD. Bisect, what do you mean by bisect? It divides the angle equally on both sides. Okay. Therefore, angle CAB is equals to angle BAD. Show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADB. And what can you say about BC and BD? After that, let us think about that. First, what we have to do? First, we have to write the data. Data is equals to what is given. That is, AC is equals to AD. AC is equals to AD. And then angle A bisects AB. AB bisects angle A. And so the AB bisects angle A. That is what we have to write. Angle CAB is equals to BAD. Angle CAB is equals to angle BAD. Okay. Now what we have to do? Triangle ABC is what we have to prove. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. Now solution for this are, solution is, yes, in triangle ACB and triangle BDA. Let us check. Triangle CAB and triangle BAD, otherwise BAD, yes. BAD are in two triangles, ABC and ABD. We can take all those things. In these two triangles, what is that? AC is equals to AD. That is data. You have to write. That is data. Nothing is there. And angle CAB is equals to angle BAD. This is also by data because AB bisects angle A. This is also by data. And what is there in between? AB is common in both the triangles. Therefore, AB is equals to AB common. That is common side. What we got? One side AB, another side, yes, here one side AB, another side AD. Okay, the included angle of these two, AC and BA, is angle CAB. Therefore, the included angle formed by BA and DA is angle DAB. Okay, then both are equal. Therefore, what we came to know that two sides and an included angle we got. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABD. This reason is SAS criteria. We have checked. And these are equal, the remaining sides. What are the remaining sides? BC. BC is equals to BD and angle formed by CA. Therefore, BC and BD. BC. What about BC and BD? They have asked. Therefore, BC is equals to BD because these are corresponding parts of the congruent triangles. Therefore, corresponding parts of the congruent triangles. They asked for BC and BD. Therefore, we have written BC is equals to BD because these are the corresponding parts of the corresponding triangles. Okay, students, you understood? I hope you understood. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, do like and do share. Okay, bye-bye.